If your business is looking for a high-quality edge banding machine for manufacturing wooden doors, cabinet doors, or large panel products, the quocduy PUR belt conveyor edge banding machine is a solution well worth considering. The first key advantage is its belt conveyor feeding system. Unlike conventional edge banding machines that use a roller feeding system, the belt conveyor provides more stable workpiece transportation throughout the entire process. It helps minimize surface scratches while handling large doors, panels, and tabletops with greater stability and precision. More importantly, this design offers excellent flexibility for automation. The machine can be easily integrated with automatic infeed rollers, return conveyor systems, or complete automatic door production lines, as shown in the video. Another highlight is the dual independent glue pot system. Manufacturers can choose between EVA plus EVA or EVA plus PUR configurations, depending on production requirements. For example, you can process products for the domestic market in the morning and switch to export-grade production in the afternoon, or simply change glue colors. Operators only need to select the desired glue pot on the HMI touchscreen, without stopping the machine, replacing glue pots, or cleaning the entire glue system. Another feature that stands out is the HMI-controlled finishing units. The fine trimming, glue scraping, and corner rounding units can all be adjusted directly through the touchscreen interface. No manual disassembly, no manual adjustment of each tooling unit.
This significantly reduces setup time between different production batches and improves overall manufacturing efficiency. If your company is planning to invest in a modern edge banding solution that can be seamlessly integrated into an automated production line while meeting the quality standards of high-end products, contact quocduy today. Our team will recommend the most suitable machine configuration based on your production scale and manufacturing goals.